Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can colorize the folders on your Windows. So if you want to have a captivating folders with different colors or just make your favorite folder into your favorite color, then you can simply do that. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to bring up and open any of our favorite browsers. So I'm going to open Edge. Just search for that in the Windows search bar. Now in the search bar, type folder, marker, download, and hit enter. Now you'll find the first option from foldermarker.com. So download this. So let's just wait for this to load. So you cannot download the applications right here on the right because you can this needs payment. So we're just going to download here or from here in the center, which has folder marker pro, folder marker home, and the folder marker free. Now in these three options, we are going to download the folder marker free, which is a 10.3 MB, which is on the latest version. Now click on download button and the installer file will be downloaded. So let's just wait for this. Now once done, double click and then simply close the Microsoft Edge browser. Then welcome to the folder marker free setup wizard. Click on next. Then you have to click on I accept the agreement so that we can install the application. Click on next. Then click on next. And finally, you have to click on next again. You can also choose the location of the application. Click on next. Then click on next. Finally, click on next. If you want to create a desktop icon, you can also check this box. Click on next and then install. So once installed, click on finish. Then what we're going to do is we just simply need to now I'm going to close this window because I have clicked more than one time on the setup file. Now we have here the application. So on how to use this, we have 4 tabs at the top or 4 options: action, folder, language, and help. Now if we are going to colorize our favorite folder, then click on this option. Then you have to choose the folders that you want to colorize. Let's say for example the folders on the desktop. So I'm going to choose the path, which is the desktop. Then I'm going to click on default, click on select folder. Then I'm going to choose the colors. So you have here the default color: red, orange, brown, lemon, green, gray, white, and then any other color. So I want to change it to lemon. So you just have to click on the color that you like, then click on apply. And now the default folder in my desktop has been changed to lemon color. So I want to also change the color for the document. So click on this again, choose desktop, select docs, click on select folder. Now I'm going to change this to white, click on apply. And that's it. So that's how you can easily colorize the folders on new Windows. That is just very easy and also using a free application. So by that, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.